Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Delphine and today we are going to try together the new brow care kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I just got it yesterday and I'm really looking forward to trying it. It has two products inside. One for step one, which is to prep. So it's a Brow Genius. It's a serum. Yeah, and then the Brow Wiz, where you can then draw in your eyebrows. So I have not done my eyebrow, I've done the rest of my makeup. My eyebrows are as natural as they are. And yeah, let's open it. So I took the color soft brown, which I think should kind of match me. I like more to take, I mean, sometimes in between two colors, and in such cases I like more to take the lighter color. Because I find that it's a bit more natural than if I take something darker than what I should have. Then it really looks very strong. I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah, so inside it looks like this. You have here, I think that's the serum, and here I think that's the Brow Wiz, and I guess this is a little instructions sheet. Yes, it is about finding your perfect brow shape, and yeah, they explain it to you, and there's a little picture of Anastasia, and yeah, little paper. Then this is the Brow Wiz. It's a very nice packaging. I don't know if you can see, it's all metallic and shiny. It feels also quite heavy. Very nice. The logo and the names are on it. There is no color because it's a serum, so it's colorless. And that's the Brow Wiz. It looks so like that, and you have on one hand a little end like that, where you can turn, you know, so you can have quite precise drawing on your eyebrows. This is something I typically like, so that starts good. And here you have the little brush, and okay, they say yeah. So this is a serum which is supposed to help encourage, what do they say, hair growth. Yeah. So they say step one, prep. So directly to clean brows, focusing on sparse areas. So my brows are not very furnished, as you can see. I have quite some sparse areas here and a bit here. So that will be good. And they say allow the formula 1 to 2 minutes to dry before grooming and styling your brows. So I'm gonna do it immediately, and then we will keep reading because I have to wait 1 to 2 minutes. So let's open it. It looks like this. Okay. I don't know how much product I'm supposed to take, so I'm gonna dry it a bit, and then we're gonna go in. Okay, I don't want to put too much. I'm just afraid. It's the first time, right, that I'm trying it, and I'm just afraid if I put too much, so I will focus on the sparse area. So it's more like here, and then at the end, my eyebrows are not very long, so I will do like that. And then on the other side too, we will go in here at the root. I don't know if I'm doing it right. The first time I'm using a brow serum, so it's very new for me, but I'm really curious if it works. They say it takes up to 8 weeks to get results, so let's see. I don't know if some of you have already used brow serums and I'm doing it wrong, then please tell me in the comments how I can improve my application technique. Okay, and now we have to wait 1 or 2 minutes, so we're gonna read the rest. So they say it noticeably improves texture, manageability, and encourage the appearance of fuller looking brows. Okay, I'm in for it. With multi-benefit mini Brow Genius Serum, and then use a Brow Wiz to add hair-like definition and detail to perfect your everyday brow routine. Perfect. And so I keep reading. Regarding the Brow Genius, so they say use short hair-like strokes starting at the root and working in the direction of hair growth. So this is what I did. I hope I did it right. So 1 or 2 minutes before grooming and styling your brows. So this is quite nice because it means in principle it's not a formula that you always have to wear on the evening. It's a formula that you could wear and then you could put your makeup on top. So this I find nice. Apply every day in the morning and night for a minimum of 8 weeks for optimal results. Keep out of eyes. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. Okay, so yeah, don't put it in your eyes, guys. Yeah, every day for 8 weeks. Okay, I don't know. I hope there's enough product in it that I can do it every day for 8 weeks. I guess they calculate properly, right? I don't know what the quantity, if they say, okay, it's 2 milliliter or 0.07 ounce, you say? I'm sorry, I'm not very familiar with American and English system. I'm using the metric system normally, and so we use milliliter and so on. But it's 0.07 fluid ounce. I don't know. I guess. Yeah, and so they show us a little picture. So this is when you use the brow, and then with this. And so after, when we will move on to this, which will be very soon now, they say use Brow Wiz. Start by outlining the shape of the brow using light pressure. Apply hair-like strokes in sparse areas and add extra definition as desired. Blend with a spoolie brush. Okay? So they show also here a little line under. I don't know if you can see. They show here like under a little dotted line, which I think is what they mean with defining under the brow. So I like to go also first with a little spoolie to discipline, to bring my hair a bit in a good shape. Hop là. And then let's go. It's been almost 2.5 minutes, so we even took extra time, so there should not be a problem there. And so we go under, we define it with tiny light pressure strokes under, they said, right? Let me check on my hand. Let me show you on my hand. So it's very discreet and natural, the result, right? On this is light pressure. If I press strong, I will get something more like that. But I will go in with light pressures. So I keep going, light pressure, and then I draw in the sparse area, like here, like, oh my god. I hope I'm not doing a complete mess and we look the whole day very weird with the weird, with weird brows. We'll do a few, and then here is also where I need a bit more. Do always a few through here for the light pressure. Okay, and then with the spoolie we go through, we comb it. Okay, without, I think I can go a bit more here. It's still looking quite empty, this area. Yeah, I don't know. What do you think, guys? That's without and that's with. I will say there is a slight improvement, but yeah, I mean, it's very discreet, right? You saw the light strokes, it's very neutral. Maybe I should, but I mean, when I go a bit more here, I don't know if you can see, this one looks a bit more done than this one, especially when you look at this area compared to here. It's a bit more defined, it's a bit more, so it's doing the job. Nothing to complain here about. Whether, so I define under, I was gonna say whether it's the best brow pencil. I'm not convinced about that. I will say I have the one from Victoria Beckham, which I also like a lot. I tried it in a video. I will put a link to it here. Yeah, I really like that one, and I find, but this one, I mean, yeah, I cannot say anything. It's doing the job. I think the biggest advantage of this kit is that you have the serum also. I think the point of all this is to have not just the drawing pencil, but to have also this serum. And then I guess when you buy the kit like this, you have a price advantage, I would say, comparing to buying the two separately. And then it makes sense. I bought the kit for €45.50 on the German website of Sephora. And so I do not look at how much they cost individually, but I guess I don't remember the cost of the one from Victoria Beckham, but I think it was between 30 and 40 euros. So this would be cheaper if you buy the two together. The combo is cheaper than if you would buy this and another one separately. And yeah, and it did the job. So I guess it all comes down to whether you're interested in such an effect, to have this serum for the hair growth and everything. If yes, then it's definitely worth it. If you don't care about the serum, then I would say it does not make much sense to necessarily buy this kit, because that's the advantage of the kit. So if you don't care about the serum, then I would say you can stay with whatever brow pencil works for you, because it's good, but it's nothing revolutionary. I'm not like, oh wow, I would not have expected this effect, I never saw that. No, it's a brow pencil, it does its job, and that's it. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you have any question, you can put it in the comments box below, and yeah, I will put your video in case you haven't seen it already. And if you enjoy this video and you want to see more of them, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.